Lightroom Classic export tutorial. Once you have all of your photos edited, you can come here to the rating just so your the ones that are rated 5 out of 5 are visible. To select them all, you can do Command A on a Mac, or if you want to select several in a row, you can just click on the first one, hold down Shift, and then click on the last one, and it will select them all in a row. Or if you want to select several that are not in a row, you can click the first one, hold down Command, and it lets you select whichever ones you want in whatever order you want. So let's say those are the two I want to export. You make sure they are selected, go to File, Export. Now over here, we're going to click this, Export to, and then we're going to click Specific Folder. And then over here it says Choose Folder. You want to hit Choose, go to your USB drive, go to Projects, Photography, Light Painting, and then hit Choose. Now we want to put it into a subfolder, and we're going to call this Large JPEG Final Export. That's going to be the name of our folder. And then also we want to rename it. And we want to rename it custom name and then original file number. And the custom name, in the beginning you want to put your period number. So for example, if I'm in period 5, I'm going to put 5 and then underscore your first name, last name, and then just do underscore. And then as you can see the example, it puts the original file extension, which is the original name of the images which you want to keep. Do not overwrite it. Make sure you have custom name plus the original file number. And then you can scroll down. We want JPEG quality. We want to go all the way up to high quality. RGB color space is fine. You can close image sizing. And then you can sharpen for screen, and standard is fine. Okay, and then you just hit export. And as you can see over here, it is exporting my project. Once it's done, it will show that it's finished. And there you go, it is finished. So now you can come over here to your folder, your USB, and here they are, large JPEG final. And this one, something happened with it. It didn't export the correct name. But here they are. So this number, you can see it should line up with the number here. So 9049. And if you double click on these, you can open them. It opens them in preview. You can see preview up here. Then you can see the images. And these are JPEGs, so JPEGs can be opened on any electronic device. So you can even send them to yourself and look at them on your phone. The images you used before were RAW files, so you need special software to read RAW files.